Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Surfer AI and automate content outline creation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Surfer AI, start by visiting the official Surfer SEO website. Once on the site, navigate to the products section. Look for Surfer AI in the list of available tools. Click on the Surfer AI option to access its dedicated page. On the Surfer AI page, locate the Get Started button. Click on Get Started to proceed to the sign-up process. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. If you are a new user, fill out the registration form with the required information. After completing the form, click the Sign Up button to create your account. Check your email for a confirmation link from Surfer. Click on the confirmation link to activate your account. Upon activation, return to the Surfer AI page and log in. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. To automate content outline creation, find the Content Workflow option. Click on Content Workflow to access the automation tools. In this section, choose the type of content you want to create an outline for. Enter the topic or keyword related to your content in the designated search bar. Select the Generate Outline button to initiate the process. Surfer AI will analyze top-performing content for your topic. Within seconds, it will generate a comprehensive content outline. Review the suggested outline for relevancy and effectiveness. Make any necessary adjustments or edits to tailor it to your needs. Once satisfied, save your content outline for future reference. Consider exporting the outline in your preferred format. Utilize the generated outline to streamline your content creation process. Explore additional features of Surfer AI to enhance your content strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.